Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
Hey there, so a beautiful day outside if you like it warm and muggy, because that's what we had. We did get some showers out there, partly cloudy skies. At times you did get the sunshine in the mix as well. So kind of an odd mix of everything, working our way from the west coast of the U.S. through to the east coast. On the west, we're still looking at that storm system that's bringing all that snow in through the Sierra Range. On the east, well, what we had today was, as mentioned, those partly cloudy skies, ending up seeing some sunshine in the mix and a little bit of some sprinkle activity, then back to some sunshine, back to partly and then mostly cloudy skies in the mix as well. So really wasn't all that bad. Again, kind of that moist, humid air that we're continuing to see pulling up from that Gulf of Mexico region. So what do we have going on? The system that is passing through that Intermountain West area is sliding to the east, and as it does so, we'll have a number of watches and warnings associated with that. But the system that brings us the rain as we head through the weekend, that's a different system. It's low pressure that has yet to kind of build in place. So we don't have any watches or warnings that we're looking at here for us in Georgia, or really the metro Atlanta area. We do have high pressure in place over that Great Lakes region that will slide off to the New England area. So as that system continues to pull air up from the Gulf, watch all of that. That just slides up across the Gulf, and that warm, moist air is what's pulling in through the metro Atlanta area. So it's the origin of this air that's just pulling up in through the state that's keeping us under all these warm, muggy conditions. And we did see some rain passing through earlier today. And as we head into the next several days, you'll see more of this. So to zoom you in now and kind of show you what's happening Friday morning. Friday morning's commute tomorrow morning could be a little on the soggier side from about 6 a.m. to maybe 10 a.m. After that, those partly cloudy skies and maybe a sprinkle or two as you head towards about that 11 p.m. midnight hour. So looking at that overnight now, heading into Saturday, more rain on the way. At times you could also hear a rumble of thunder in the mix heading through Saturday afternoon, but really that early afternoon hour, and then taking you through Sunday, Saturday night in through Sunday. Also a few sprinkles in the mix maybe Saturday night, but by the time you do get to Sunday, you're looking at mostly clear skies. Temperature-wise, looking at Griffin, tonight's lows, you'll be in the mid-60s. Seriously, keep these lows in mind because I want you to compare them to Monday's highs in just a second. Ending up seeing the mid-50s in places like Blairsville, up in the mountains. Your temperatures for tomorrow, again, you will still be in that upper 60, low 70 mark, but again, as mentioned now, watch this 7-day forecast. Here's where things shift up quite dramatically. From today's record highs, we head into partly cloudy skies, showers, cooling conditions all the way through Sunday, or you have kind of that Goldilocks in the middle day. You'll be in the upper 40s, low 50s under mostly sunny but clear, drying conditions. But watch that Monday. It's your Monday where your temperatures for your daytime highs will be 20 degrees lower than what your overnights are for tonight. After that, things start to warm up just a little bit again, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But that trade-off there, Sharon, we get some clouds back in the forecast. So once again, I keep saying, we got just about 3 seasons worth of weather in just about 3.5 days.
Something for everyone, Dagmar. Thank you.